Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the XEEUEX Music Boxing Machine. It is a smart Bluetooth boxing trainer with boxing gloves, boxing wall mount machine for adults and kids. It's the boxing target workout equipment for home, for office, and for the gym. That's cool, because we have a wide choice of speeds and modes. Thanks to the intelligent touchscreen of the boxing music exerciser, we will have the opportunity to experience 9 unique light effect modes, as well as the speed adjustment function. Satisfy all our needs for the ideal result of a full workout. And a new upgraded music boxing equipment. We have 9 volume modes, are precisely tuned. Professional sound engineers optimize the sound quality. This brings ultimate music enjoyment. The upgrade high capacity batteries without worrying about the battery life. Enjoy the fun of the sports with that machine. And this boxing music exercise machine offers the flexibility of the additional mounting options. We can make a free height can be freely adjusted by the Velcro system, or we save 90% of time and improve the experience of using this electronic boxing equipment. And we can connect this device via Bluetooth technology and play our favorite songs with ease. Intelligent counting function on the display records every hit in detail to create a more dynamic and passionate sports environment for us. And of course, it's suitable for different kind of people. This boxing music machine is suitable for a wide range of people, whether a man, a woman, the elderly, or the children. In the living room, bedroom, office, or other places, we can enjoy boxing. No need to go to the gym to exercise to release our stress, for example. That's cool. That's an innovative decompression method. We can make USB charging because a built-in battery can be recharged easy peasy by using a USB charger. That means our AC adapter of our smartphone, for example, or use a computer or an AC adapter nearly, or an USB socket or something else. And there is a built-in battery, so you can recharge it at the area where your computer, for example, is, and then get it with the Velcros into the area where you like to fight. And then you can fight there, make a clear workout. And after you finish this workout, you can go back to make USB recharging, for example. Or you dock it into position, or you hang up this workout machine where an AC adapter is, and then you have all day energy. We have equipped with a high performance chip. We have Bluetooth. We can make music record playback. We can make podcast playback or something else. And we have, if we do not use Bluetooth, we have the option for music, because there is a rhythm, a cool music on board. It's durable. We have 9 modes, 9 speeds, and we have a display. We have an on and off button. We long press the switch button to turn on the device. The light will light up and the music will play. Then Bluetooth. We turn on our phone and set the Bluetooth connection device to play the music on our phone, Bluetooth device name, and so. The device name starts with Bluetooth. Then we pair that and we can have fun. And we have a mode button to switch between the modes. We cycle switch for program 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Program 1 is a random mode. Program 2 up to the upper areas like 7 and so on is a preset sequences. Then we have a volume down and a volume up button. We can make with this to increase or decrease the volume level. We have structural upgraded. The boxing machine boasts a stable, sturdy, no shifting structure with enhanced impact resistance and random lightning. The hitting fit boxing targets boost the coordination, reaction, speed, and training, and enjoyment, of course. And we have an LED display. The boxing target features a central LED touchscreen for easy speed mode and Bluetooth adjustment. And we have ABS material. The boxing machine is constructed from durable ABS for enhanced striking experience. This is the nicest present for someone who loves boxing or who loves to work out a little bit more and to make a good coordination workout, to start for a better and fitter life. Or you can make a competition with that. That means if you are with your friend or with your wife and something else, maybe share this workout with her or him and then have fun. It takes up minimal space. It hits with music feedback. And we have a really easy installation, of course. There should be a wall. And there you can attach the glue circle or the Velcro fastener on it. And of course then, after you attach this to the wall, you can start with the workout. Really cool and easy. Pair it with Bluetooth because this is a lot of fun. And then have fun with it. Then you can start your music boxing machine workout by XEEUEX. XEEUEX. Yeah, this brings it to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!